And welcome back to Primetime Sports at Tuesday. Former winners Arnett Gardens climbed back into the top half of the Red Stripe Premier League table after a hard-fought victory over defending champions Portmore United at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Now, for the second time this season, Portmore United travelled to the jungle and came away empty-handed, this time going down 1-0 to Arnett Gardens after a promising start. The champions were dealt a blow just before the half-time break when veteran midfielder Damian Williams was sent off after receiving a second yellow card. Arnett Gardens took advantage of the extra man to cut open the Portmore defence with some slick passing, which resulted in their goal from captain Ricardo Oldham in the 58th minute. Portmore came close to grabbing an equaliser but were denied by debutant Kadeem Rodriguez in goal for Arnett Gardens. And coach Alex Thomas was praised the all-round team effort that was displayed by his team.
Big 3 points tonight, and that's what we want tonight to push us up in the table. And we prepare, we plan. That's each a game at a time. I was pleased, very pleased. We stick to the objective, to go at Damian Williams, and that was the objective. And give him a red card, and we execute on that,
I think we created enough opportunity to put away 1 or 2 and finish with a better result. But I must commend the players for the effort that they put in, especially when we went 1 man down. They doubled the shift and they really got there and they really pushed the Arnett team to the end. Just unfortunate that we could put away 1 of our chances.
The win pushed Arnett to 11 points and into 6th place, while Portmore United are on 10 points and they slipped down the table to 8th position. Last year's beaten finalist Cornwall College